Solve polynomial equations. So on the left side we have 3 times minus 3 times 1 plus 6y equals to 14 minus y. Now here also we have 25 times within bracket 2n minus 5. So here we'll apply the distributive property, and distributive property means that this 3 gets multiplied by both the terms inside the bracket, correct? And in this case 25 will get multiplied by both the factors. Is that okay? Now let's do the left side, the k part first. So if we do minus 3 times 1, we get minus 3. Minus 3 times plus is minus, and 3 times 6 is 18 y equals to 14 minus y, correct? Now the next step is bringing the constants together, and then we can bring the variables together. So let's bring the constants first. So that means we'll add 3 to both sides, okay? So we'll do minus 3 minus 18y, and to get rid of this minus 3 we are adding plus 3 here. And here we have 14 minus y plus 3. So effectively what really happened is we added plus 3 both sides. So here minus 3 plus 3 became 0, and we are left with minus 18y equals to 14 plus 3, which is 17 minus y. So what really happened was this minus 3 was taken from left side and added to the right side, correct? So from next example onwards, what we will do is, instead of adding 3 both sides, we can straight away take this step. We can transfer this to the other side, okay? So in that case, we don't really have to add 3 both sides, right? By now, we have done so many examples, and I hope you've understood that effectively you can change the side of a number by changing its sign, okay? So that is what I'm trying to do in the next step. We have minus y here. So if I bring minus y to this side, then it will become plus y. So I'll do that. So I have 18y, and when I bring minus 5 to this side, it becomes plus y equals to 17. Do you see that? It is as good as doing plus y both sides, right? If I do plus y, then minus and plus y becomes 0, so we are left with 17, right? And here it is minus 18y plus y, correct? So instead of writing plus y both sides, I have straight away written minus 18y plus y equals to 17. I hope you appreciate this. So this gives us minus 17y equals to 17, and y is 17 divided by minus 17, which is minus 1. So minus 1 is our solution for this side, okay? Now let's do L. 75 equals to 25 times minus 2n minus 5. Now one option before us is to expand this side as we did here. The other is we can divide both sides by 25. If we do that, we simplify much faster. See, I'll show you. 75 equals to 25 times minus 2n minus 5, right? If I divide both sides by 25, then what happens? Then this 25 cancels, right? We get 25 divided by 25 as 1. And here 25 goes 3 times into 75, correct? So we can write 3 equals to minus 2n minus 5, correct? So that is a much simpler polynomial equation than what we had before. Or if we multiply and apply distributive property, it's much simpler than that. So this is a wiser step to take, right? Now we'll bring variables to one side and constants to the other. So when we bring minus 2n to left side, it becomes 2n plus, right? And when we bring 3 to the right side, it becomes minus 3. So we have minus 3 minus 5, or 2n equals to minus 8, and n equals to minus 8 divided by 2. We divided both sides by 2. Here we got n, and there minus 8 divided by 2, which is minus 4. So our answer is minus 4 as the solution of this polynomial equation, okay? Thank you.